In this video demonstration, you will see what happens when you run the Setup Wizard. But first, before starting the Setup Wizard, admin and root passwords need to be changed. The first step is to change the admin password. Log in as admin. The current password is admin. Once logged in, log out, and log in as root. The root password is the new admin password you just created. Type and retype the new password for the root user. Now that both passwords have been changed, type Appliance Setup Wizard to begin the Setup Wizard. Values from the worksheet on the previous page will be used to configure the basic management network settings for the system. Enter N for No to DHCP. Enter Y for Yes to configure the IPv4 management address, and then enter the management IP address. Enter the gateway address. Enter the CIDR prefix length. Enter N for No to IPv6 management networking. Enter Y for Yes to configure a DNS server, and then enter the DNS server's IP address. Press Enter to accept the default DNS server port of 53. Enter Y for Yes to configure an NTP server, and then enter the NTP server IP address. Press Enter to accept the default NTP server port of 123. Enter Y for Yes to commit this configuration. When prompted, log in with admin credentials. You will see the previously entered settings being committed. When finished, the Setup Wizard is complete. The system explains that Appliance Mode is enabled by default. Press Enter to exit. Now, access the system as admin and run a command to verify the management settings are correct. For example, enter Show System Management IP. You see that you can continue configuring the system using the management IP address.